Myself Sneha. I am from Bihar, but I born and brought up here only. So I did my graduation from City Engineering College in the year 2019. So after completion of graduation, I was into a banking thing. So, and then one of my relative said that this is a good institute. So I joined on November 22nd. So like talking about the trainers are they are so good, and they are especially Ramya ma'am, she has been supportive and helping me throughout, and the environment is so good, and I would like to thank Praveen sir because even he has been helping me throughout, and he is the best teacher for Java. And then I got placed in emphasis. My joining date is on 22nd of March, and my salary package is 2.75.